What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Rose. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I am currently waiting at my doctor's office for my prescription because I'm already in the area, so I might as well just go pick it up. I had a doctor's appointment at 5 p.m. today, and since I was off, I took advantage and made my appointments. I edited a vlog, so that vlog should already be up for you guys to see before this one goes up. But I have to go to Bravo supermarket to pick up some ingredients to make sweet potato casserole for Christmas. I volunteered to make that for Christmas because my aunt, she was like, everybody needs to bring a dish. Everybody needs to bring a dish. And I'm like, okay. And my cousin said she making a roast beef. Some stew thing. I don't know what she said. Oh, man, is it roast beef? I don't know, but on the day I'll show y'all what she's making. I forgot what she said she was gonna make, but my aunt, she always makes like a dinner for Christmas, Thanksgiving. That's like her thing. She enjoys that, so she does all the cooking. But I said I was gonna bring sweet potato casserole, and then I also have some gifts like back here that I need to go drop off to put under her tree for my cousins. And then I still need to figure out how I'm gonna wrap that dang on bath rug, because how do you wrap a bath rug unless I find like a box that's big enough to put it in and then tape the box and then wrap it? But my wrapping skills are not that great, so it's just gonna have to be what it is, but we'll figure it out. But I'll see y'all when I get to Bravo and pick up the ingredients for the sweet potato casserole. I think I might just get these instead. They say you could use canned sweet potatoes, so I might just get these instead because they're already basically cooked. I hope so. Yeah, I'm gonna just use 2 of these instead of the actual yams because ain't nobody got time to wait for these things to cook and bake. So I'm gonna put these back and use 2 cans of these instead. And I also got the brown sugar, the vanilla, I got a hot sauce, sport shake, butter. I'm gonna get eggs closer to the time, and then I have nutmeg and ground cinnamon. So we have all the ingredients. All right, y'all, so I pretty much got everything I needed. I still need mini marshmallows and the eggs, which I can possibly get on Saturday, which is tomorrow. And I usually like to come to Bravo supermarket to get like anything fresh, like my meats, veggies, all of that stuff if there's one nearby. I try not to buy like my seasonings and my marinades from like Target, Publix and stuff like that because they be taxing. And at these little bodegas, honey, They be having them in bulk and for a really affordable price. They be having a lot of stuff that we use back in the islands, so I be feeling like connected with them, like, you know. And then the little Hispanic poppies at the meat section where they cut your meat for you, they always trying to flirt, y'all. They always trying to flirt. They love chocolate. But one thing about the Hispanic men's, they take care of their women's, okay? They pay all the bills. That's what we're looking for. All the bills paid and taken care of. But anyways, I am starving. I'm hungry. I think I'm gonna stop at Chick-fil-A. It's like 7:33, and get me something to eat real quick, like some nuggets and some fries, and then we're gonna head home. And then tomorrow I'm gonna go work out. I didn't even get to go to the gym, y'all, because I've been on go like this. Y'all, I didn't realize I was this close to a Kohls and a Sephora, so I'm about to go in there and see if they have anything for my goddaughter, because she wants some underwear and new sandals, and they have a Carter section in there, so I'm gonna see if they have anything for her. Y'all, the Fenty body butter smells so good. It smells like a whipped cinnamon roll, and it's so hydrating, so moisturizing, and super duper soft on your skin, but the scent don't last that long. But it smells like a warm cinnamon roll. I'm gonna see if they have it in stock. This is the best face mask, y'all. This, if you want your pores to be gone, a deep cleanse, a deep pore clearing, this is tea, and it's only $16, y'all. Check this mask out. It's one of my favorites. Y'all, people have been raving about this oat cleansing balm for normal to sensitive skin. They said it's really good. I want to try it out. It's only like $6 for the small one, and I want to see if it really works. If it's like, I use cleansing balms to double cleanse at night, and then I go in with another cleanser. So this won't be my main cleanser. This will be like my double cleanse, and I'm almost running low on my cleansing balm anyway, so I think I might pick this up as well. So I picked her up two, Jojo Siwa and Minnie Mouse. She likes whatchamacallit, Frozen, but they didn't have her size in it, so I just got these two. And then I'm probably gonna pick out a pair of pajamas because they're like 40% off. Like you see, 40% off girls pajamas. She loves Frozen, so I might get her one of these. They're 55% off. And then she watched this movie not too long ago, this Wish movie, so I don't see her size though. And then she also likes this lady and the Little Mermaid, so this one would have been great because she likes all of these, but they don't have her size, so I don't know. All right, so her mom says she wears 5T, so these two are both 5T. I got this one with the foot, and then this Encanto one on there, and then in the back it has the kid with the afro on it, so I think she'll like these. I'm officially done shopping, y'all. Thank God, hallelujah. I got her the two pajamas and the underwear, and then just gotta put it in the box and then head to my aunt's house to drop off those two gifts, then go home. So I don't know if I'm gonna vlog when I get to her house, but if I do, see y'all there. If I don't, see you on my next video. Bye. All right, I found the marshmallows. I don't think I need this big old bag of marshmallows, but they don't have a smaller bag, so I'm gonna have to just go with this one. Oh, these are mini marshmallows actually. Ooh, not me messing up the people's stuff. Oh, I'm gonna just throw them over here. I think I'm gonna just get these. This has mini marshmallows, so I'll be good with these ones.
Oh, syrup. Got it. Got it. You about to put it in the microwave, bro.
Look at Princess.
Let me just apply. The princess, you know? Oh, that's one.
Princess, say hi. She got a puffer jacket on because it's cold as hell outside. And I'm making me a bagel. Well, not me. Sarah's making me a bagel. Okay. Miss Publix outfit. Wait, they ain't even see you behind Publix outfit. Say, hey, I got a job now working. She working overtime. And the tree is not lit tonight. It was lit last night for the kids. And then the elf on the shelf got stole panties and a candy. And there's my stocking, of course, the only one that's extra. Happy holidays. I ordered some more stuff from Drika Wellness. It's chlorophyll. I'm talking to my vlog. To my vlog, okay, my vlog. Chlorophyll and body scrub. Hold on, let me set this up real quick.
After a while, man, it's gonna rip.
That's not a hard chair. Must not stop. I can't. That's what I said. The chair not gonna stay forever. I'm there. Why y'all so funny?
Daddy, you're so funny.
Also got some juices from Fresh Juice and some wellness shots. I literally ordered this like 2 days ago when I already got it.
What?
It's a 1-day juice cleanse and some wellness shots. This came UPS, second day air. So shipping is $15 and these juices come already insulated and cold with ice packs. So I got me a strawberry orange mango smoothie. I also got where's my other smoothie? The wellness shots, I got recovery, 2 resets. This is the wellness shots. Immunity one. And then the juice cleanse comes with 6 juices. This is green 3. I got the cleanse number 2. So this is 1-day juice cleanse, no food, just drink the juices 2 hours apart. So this is a greens 3. And then it tells you all of the ingredients that are in the juice down here. So you have 6 of these. So green 3. And this is my berry protein smoothie that I ordered as well. They give you a vanilla almond.
I remember like at the beginning
citrus
of
2.
Like this thing got
citrus
like
1. Here's my other reset. This is the ACV shot. I got a gut instinct for bloating from Press times Hilma.
Yeah.
And it was 6 juices for $30. Roots 3. This one is one of my favorites. It tastes so good. It has beet, ginger, apple, and lemon. So good. Another greens juice. And my other immunity shot. So that's all the juices. Woo! Lordy.
Put it in the bag.
So this is all the juices and the 2 smoothies. Let me show y'all again. Berry protein smoothie. This one's a strawberry orange mango.
You can put it in the bag.
The 6 juices. And then the 6 shots.
You need 2.